Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a really bronzy nude look for you guys. For my lashes, I didn't do anything to my lashes. They are party lashes which I've done at work. For my brows, they're tinted, so we didn't do anything to my lashes and my brows. All it is your skin, your lips, and a bit of bronzer on your lid. That right. So if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
I've been working on a dream ever since I was a kid. Back when I ain't have to worry about a thing that I did. Back when they said that it might not be probable, but nothing is impossible. And with some hard work, get over any fucking obstacle. But hey, I think that they lied, cause it's nice that I have failed, but I promise you I've tried. The American dream, it seems I've been denied, and it's easier to swallow liquor than it is to pride. But bring me down, you can try to stop me, but I know life can get rocky. If I fall, and you never caught me, I'm gon' be okay, singing na 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 na. Yeah, they try to bring us down, but we gon' make the sound. I don't think they understand. Just catch me if you can. They don't wanna tell the truth, they just wanna take our youth. I don't think they understand. Just catch me if you can. They told me anything is possible, but now it's not true. Like Michael Jordan's great, but that will never be you. And all the fun things as a kid you used to do. Imagination, well, it's cool, but it's not an IQ. So you gotta go to school, learn some shit that you'll forget. Then you work a 9 to 5 just so you can pay your debt. And you got some big dreams, but a tiny little check. You just end up making money for some jerk you never met. Thinking, hey, I think that they lied, cause my friends they fucking failed, but I promise you they've tried. The American dream, it seems they've been denied, and it's easier to swallow liquor than it is to pride. But bring you down, they can try to stop you, but you are doing what you got to. If you fall, and they never caught you, you gon' be okay, singing na 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 na. Yeah, they try to bring us down, but we gon' make the sound. I don't think they understand. Just catch me if you can. They don't wanna tell the truth, they just wanna take our youth. I don't think they understand. Just catch me if you can, singing na 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 na.
Educators, rather than raising your voices over the rustling of our chains, take them off, uncuff us, unencumbered by the lumbering weight of poverty and privilege, policy and ignorance. Our stories are the ladders that make it easier for us to touch the stars. So climb and grab them, keep climbing, grab them, spill your emotions in the Big Dipper and pour out your soul. Light up the world with your luminous allure. To educate requires Galileo-like patience. Today, when I look my students in the eyes, all I see are constellations. If you take the time to connect the dots, you can plot the true shape of their genius shining in their darkest hour. I look each of my students in the eyes and see the same light that aligned Orion's belt in the pyramids of Giza. I see the same twinkle that guided Harriet to freedom.
Through the day, wake up with champagne, roll me an A. I told my mother I would quit. What can I say? I'm still breathing, falling in love every evening. So we just gonna stay teenage dreamers, born this way. I told my mother I grow up. What can I say? I'm still breathing, falling in love every evening.
God bless me, even though I'm through sneezing. Tonight we taking more shots than flu season. Blowing smoke in the air like exhaust pipes. If you try to copy my style, you getting frostbite. Get it? Cause motherfucker, I am cold. Lines might be hot, but my boss had a scold. I wanted this ever since 10 years old. You panicking, mannequin, cause you don't fit the mold. And she was there when nobody took interest. So now I owe my girl the world plus interest. When I got them all speechless, no breathing, and I'm shutting down shows, no season. I can say it was worth it. Panoramic view with my life picture perfect. Fuck with the businesses, cause the difference is you may want this, but I deserve it.
Sleeping through the day, wake up with champagne, roll me an A. I told my mother I would quit. What can I say? I'm still breathing, falling in love every evening. So we just gonna stay teenage dreamers, born this way. I told my mother I grew up. What can I say? I'm still breathing, falling in love every evening.
Fans over friends, seems how it goes. Fans turn to friends, so it's like I never chose. Gotta expect some thorns when you're trying to find a rose. Game is ludicrous, so I throw them bows. Yeah, and yeah, I'm tryna make my own space. Fuck living with defeat, I'ma get my own place. I'm so close that I just need to nudge it. Fame got a cost, but I'm ballin' no budget. What if I don't get back what I invested? And I should've done what they suggested. Won't stop until you feel it's molested. No SAT for me, I already been tested. And I know that I've been far away, yeah. But I'ma pick up the phone like I just called to say that I'm
sleeping through the day, wake up with champagne, roll me a A. I told my mother I would quit, what can I say? I'm still breathing, falling in love every evening. So we just gonna stay, teenage dreamers, born this way. I told my mother I grow up, what can I say? I'm still breathing, falling in love every evening. Now I'm feeling young,
I'm staying out late.
I don't wanna sleep tonight.
I can't sleep tonight, I can't sleep tonight, no, no.
I don't wanna sleep tonight.
I can't sleep tonight, don't wanna sleep tonight.
Open your eyes, open wide.
Yeah.
Watch the city come to life. Sleeping through the day, wake up with champagne, roll me a A. I told my mother I would quit, what can I say? I'm still breathing, falling in love every evening. So we just gonna stay, teenage dreamers, on this way. I told my mother I grow up, what can I say? I'm still breathing, falling in love every evening.
Falling in love. I don't wanna sleep tonight. Massachusetts.
No one says when you get to the top, your biggest fear is when you gon' drop. Blew up last year, all I got, I really thought it was never gon' stop. Yes, I did everything I can. Last year made about 100 grand. Yeah, I guess that was part of the plan. Yeah, I guess that was part of the plan. But I'm so damn scared that I'm just gonna lose it, and I'll forget how to make this music. And my good faith in my good place, all these motherfuckers.
See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor.